Hey, beautiful. Summer, what are you doing? What is happening here?
The bike.
You doing what?
The bike.
You're riding the bike? Can you ride a bike?
Of course.
Of course. You can ride a bike?
Ride the bike.
You can ride a bike. Where do you go on a bike?
I the bike. Whoa. The bike. I said to ride the bike.
You're going to ride the bike. Where are you going on the bike, though? Do you know where you're going? Shit.
I take the bike. Whoa. Turn.
You're gonna turn?
Ride the bike. Ride.
Mm-hmm.
Right. And the bike.
So which bike do you prefer?
I want to ride the bike.
Yeah, but where are you going, though?
I want to ride the bike.
You want to ride the bike to go where?
I need to ride the bike. Right.
Well, you're a girl. Can girls ride bikes?
Of course.
Of course.
Ride the bike. There you go.
Thank you. So you want me to ride a bike too?
Hold it.
Hold it.
Ride the bike. Ride like this.
Ride a bike?
Yeah.
Where? I have nowhere to ride the bike to. Are we going to Montego Bay?
Like this.
No, not right there. Right here. Show me where you're going. Are we going to Montego Bay? My beer. Jump on the back of my bike. My beer.
Open.
My beer. Where got my beer?
Open.
Yeah? So, to go to Montego Bay, we have to go through Ocho Rios. Do you know Ocho Rios? Yes? You know Ocho Rios?
No.
You don't know Ocho Rios? That's where Grandma
What
lives.
that is?
What is that?
What did it find it?
Hmm?
What did you